See, how do you achieve 4 times, 10 times faster development cycle? How do you bring in very high success rate in legacy modernization and significantly reduce your total cost of ownership? See, to me, again, everything starts with the fundamentals of it, right? Like, do you have an AI native solution? Do you have an AI native software development life cycle? Do you have the right team to build it? And more importantly, do you have the will for such a cultural change in behavior of anything that you're doing using AI? I think you need to fundamentally align all those things. But more importantly, do you have the attributes which can be used to measure in the evaluator that we talked about? So you need to have all those things to verify in terms of the before cost without AI and the AI development cost and the maintenance cost of post AI creation. So all these things need to be factored in. These attributes need to be defined, then fed into the value meter for us to measure it. And if you have the right team and if you have the right AI native SDLC, I can tell you, you might not be there, but in a matter of short few months, it's very easy to achieve 4 times, 5 times, 6 times faster development cycle. So how do you engage Galent, right? See, Galent, our central thesis at which we offer our AI-enabled hypertext service, that's what I call it as a hypertext service, is through our platform, Galent AI. See, the Galent AI platform is very essential for us to act as an operating system for the entire IT services, for that matter. And we can operate in many different ways. So sometimes client engages to completely use our platform, mostly on their prem, and our people to build their AI application. That's the first way of using it. The second way is, it's our platform with your people and our people combination can do this. The last way, which mature clients uses, is Galent team with our knowledge base of building Galent AI platform and experience with all our clients will help to co-create your own platform and enable your team to become these highly efficient forward deployment engineers to create all these projects. In essence, Galent's vision is to help our clients achieve that level of maturity. How do you have your own platform? How do you have your team achieve that? I think that's our ultimate vision. And I can tell you, we are finding some good early success in getting our clients to that level of maturity, not just 100% relying on us. Yes, that's a great start. But ultimately, eventually, them creating their own self-sustaining ecosystem when it comes to anything and everything AI. So we keep talking about it. Why are we extremely focused on keeping Galent AI platform vendor-agnostic, platform-agnostic, tool-agnostic, LLM-agnostic, anything for that matter? Because each enterprise goes through a very painstaking process to find what LLM they want to use, what tools they want to use, what orchestrator they want to use. Everything they have gone through, and they have approved suite of tools. Who am I to go and say that my platform will only work on certain tools, so you have to go buy them? I can't do that. So instead, we decided to make ourselves absolutely agnostic to any of our tools. So if you use this, most of our clients, when I say most, I would say like 100% of our clients deploy our Galent AI engine on-prem, on their facility, on the client facilities. And we have the ability to use whatever is their approved LLM, whatever is their approved vector database, whatever is their orchestrator, tools, co-pilots. If they got like millions of co-pilot license, we just use it. We don't come and say that use certain things. So ultimately, this is completely headless, completely agnostic, any of those things. So the platform will morph into your suite of tools, not the other way around. So in the next 24 months, I think it's very tough for somebody to see from the extreme outskirts of the change. But people who are literally living inside the world of system integrators, they can see how fast things are going to change in the next 24 months. Because we are genuinely entering into an era of system of intelligence. And we can not only do that, we can also achieve that at a faster pace. So what does that mean? You need different kind of people, you need different kind of process. And more importantly, one of the biggest handicap I see is the current providers have a massive revenue to defend, which is based on system of records. So they have to fight two battles. One is to get into this new era of system of intelligence, plus fighting your existing revenue battle. So I think with these things, new players are going to emerge much faster with much flexibility, especially somebody who is building their organization as a deep tech organization, a platform-enabled service organization, having the top-notch forward deployment engineers organization, and doesn't have a baggage of a massive revenue to defend. I think this is the time of such new players to play a very, very dominant role in the world of enterprise software development.